Wave to the camera. Hello. You're ready to film? Hello. Alright, Sierra's going to play the Scary Maze game. She has no clue what's going to happen, and she's just going to go for it. Alright, Sierra.
Is this recorded?
Yes, it is.
Go for it.
Go ahead, baby girl. Don't hit the walls.
What happens if I hit the wall?
I have no idea what the hell happens when you hit the wall.
How do you flip them out now?
Because I've never played it before.
You got this, girl. You got this. Look out. Look out.
What's so cooking?
Whoa. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Real close. That was close. Oh, oh, oh. Holy, holy, holy. Well done. Yeah. Challenge to complete!
Match 3!
Three! I need a real mouse.
I know, right?
Can you get me one? There's one in there. Where that white sheet is. In there somewhere, there's one. Just keep looking around in that whole free bin. What are we looking for? A mouse. Oh no, play without the mouse. Play without the mouse. I sure did. Play without the mouse.
No way.
You don't need a goddamn mouse.
I need a goddamn mouse. I fucking
You
need it.
still have no type of thing.
Yeah, I can if I have a mouse.
I guarantee you, you're not going to have that. Very well lucky.
Oh, yeah, you do that. I thought you started going through that.
Fuck up. Fuck up. No! That's fucked up.